Totoo ba na kayo ni Aljur ay may dalawang mga anak na?
Actually, Tito Boy, 5 na po.
5?
Yes.
Okay. Totoo ba na kayo ni Aljur ay may dalawang mga anak na?
Actually, Tito Boy, 5 na po.
5?
Yes.
Okay. What do you mean?
I have 5 kids. Yeah.
Pwedeng paliwanag?
Yes. First one is my, Ariana. Panganay ko po siya.
Are you a baby? You have a baby. Okay, Ariana. How old is Ariana?
7.
Okay.
And then,
I understand. Oh.
sorry, Tito
No,
Boy.
that's okay.
Very
One day,
issue.
dito. Mapapanood ito ni Ariana and she will be proud of you. I didn't know, I'm sorry. Oh. Hindi ko alam.
Hingi lang po ako ng time. Sorry.
Oh? No problem, AJ.
And then, second one is Aaron. He's an angel now, Tito.
Okay. I'm sorry, AJ. Aaron is
He's an angel.
an angel.
Wala na po siya.
Okay.
And then, third one is Alkina, yung panganay po namin ni Aljur
Okay.
Junior, and then Abraham.
So, with Aljur, you have 3 babies.
Yes.
Oh. And then you have an angel, and then you have
Abraham.
Abraham. Okay. Maraming salamat for letting us know. Why are you telling me this, AJ? Gusto mo na matapos ang
Yes,
lahat?
gusto ko na po matapos and gusto ko na po magkaroon ng freedom yung mga kids.
Oo. Para hindi na nagtatago.
Yes.
Oo.
And then, yeah,
Pinag-isipan mo ito.
pinag-isipan ko na po.
That's good. Oh. Is AJ watching? You're brave. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Kilala ba ng mga bata ang mga anak ni Aljur?
Yes, opo.
Meron
po
silang
sila.
relasyon?
Naglalaro po sila lagi. And then yung panganay ni Aljur, si Alas, very responsible sa mga bunso.
Okay. Kumusta ka bilang, as a young mother, kumusta ka, AJ?
At first, mahirap po. Pero syempre, nandyan po yung pamilya ko, naka-suporta po sila. Kinaya naman po, Tito Boy.
Okay. Magbabalik ka. Do you want to come back to the business? Gusto
Yes.
mo magbalik sa industriya
Opo.
bilang artista?
Actually, gusto ko po talagang umacting.
Oo.
I love acting.
At marami ang nanonood ngayon. At yan ang katanungan. Siya ba'y magbabalik showbiz? And your answer is
Yes.
yes.
babalik po.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Welcome back. And thank you for sharing your story with us.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.